president in the Philippines.
Duterte is famous in China.
China.
In China.
Best friend of Xi Jinping.
对。
That's my president.
Oh.
I am the supporter of President Duterte in the Philippines. Yeah. So Duterte is very famous in China.
Yes.
Wow.
He is a great president.
The present administration, I don't know.
Hi, Stella Lu. Okay ka pa? Dito na kami, guys. Yo, oh, okay. How many floors this?
This building?
Yeah.
88 floor.
88.
Huh?
This building total 88 floor.
Oh my goodness, very high.
That building 100 floor.
100. J Hotel, 100. So, minus. Huli. Ayun yung luggage namin. Hi guys! Ngayon, nakadating na kami dito sa hotel. At i-room tour ko kayo sa CR ng Hyatt. Napakaganda. Guys, ito yung bathtub nila. Diyan yung shower. CR, panginom. And then, dito naman yung parang vanity mirror nila.
You can sit anywhere. You can sit. I order food.
Now guys, dito kami magla-lunch. And that's the view. Ito guys yung J Hotel, yung #1 tallest hotel nila dito sa Shanghai. Oh, may tea area show sila dito. So they're also serving good teas guys. Look off. Ito, pinaka gusto ko, tsaka yung black. Black tea yan for sure. Ang ganda ng view guys, no? Pero doon kami sa VIP area. Sa African Tulip. And itong pinaka-bet ko dito. I don't know why.
It's snow.
Morning. Hi guys, ngayon dito tayo sa cloud. Then, ganyan yung view. Nasa 86th floor kami. Ay, 87. Oh my gosh, ang taas. Kita mo yung Shanghai.
If you can just so near.
Use this way.
Another way, second floor.
Ngayon guys, magpa-park kami. Pero, isasakay siya sa parang elevator. Professional. Yun guys, oh.
我操！我前面顶到了。那我一会儿到哪拿车呀？
And, ayan, dito na
也
kami
这
sa
地方哈
dito.。
好嘞。
Yan guys, dito na kami sa parking area. You see that? Uh-oh.
好好好好好好好。好，你干嘛呀？
See that? Just here. And, ayan guys, nakapark na kami. . Guys, ngayon nandito tayo sa U Garden. And ayan o, so many food. So nice and clean. Daming food. What's this? Perfume?
Yeah.
Oh. Oh. Gano. You cannot bring in.
给我搞个草莓好吗
I want this.
？Which?
Okay. Wow. Guys, ito yung tinatawag nilang tanghulu. And ang cute ng ice cream din nila, oh. Ang cute. Ang pinili ko guys is yun. Ang cute ng color. Ayan siya. Guys, try natin mga food nila dito. And that's the view. Guys, kung may gusto kayo, ayan, ilalagay nyo lang dyan. Like this. Maybe this one. Is it okay, no? Like that. Oh, sorry. And then guys, pagtas nyo kumuha doon, and so that, dito magpe-pay. Oh, gusto ko yun. And umorder kami guys ng noodles. Can keep how many days? Ang ganda guys, no? Sabi nila ito old building daw to. Pero mga ni-renovate lang nila. And it's so nice. Guys, ito na yung pinaka-attraction dito sa U Garden. Dati madaming... Uy, ang laki ng fish.
Fish and champoy. How fish?
my gosh, gustong gusto ko yung pagka-structure dito. So nice.
It's not summertime.
Yogurts are good.
Ito yung pinaka-famous nilang Shalom Bowl dito sa U Garden.
I thought Philippines.
Wow, ang daming mga gandang gamit dito. Oh, what's this? Wow, subahay.
Which one?
Yeah. Wow, guys, try natin to.
Nara?
Ngayon guys, try natin tong mga to. Pero feel ko yung best ano nila is this one. And this is my frog. So cute. Guys, look. Yung car, same kanina, papasok dito. So, makakalabas kami. Wait. Okay. Tingnan nyo guys, papasok namin yan doon. And then, aakit kami. Ay, mali. paggabi. And, ayan yung hotel namin. Dito kami nagstay sa Hayas. And then, ito guys, yung J Hotel. Yung pinakamataas na building dito. And then, ito, hindi ko sure kung anong pangalan dito. Guys, ito yung itsura ng lobby dito sa Hyatt Hotel. And then, look at the view. See that? Guys, look on, nasa 76th floor kami. And then, yan, ang view. Ayun si Dad. Takot lang. Si guys, nakakatakot. Pero ito na yung room namin. Picture ka, Dad? Ito kami sa